Hi, Cole Crockett, A to Z Bus Sales here, showing you a Microbird G5 by Girardin. This is a 25 plus rear luggage, which is the most capacity you can put on an E450 chassis with rear luggage. Again, Microbird, synonymous with safety, aluminum side skins, front view window, a lot of other great options to show you inside. Come take a look. We're talking about the safety and reliability on the exterior of the vehicle. Microbird is one of the main manufacturers that once a customer tries them for the first time, they usually stay Microbird loyal. And you can't say that about all manufacturers. Look at the inside of this with the high gloss ceiling, retractable seat belts, high back seats in the level 1 vinyl. Again, the panoramic window, padded stanchions, carpeted sidewalls, and much more. Thank you for watching this video on the 2019 Microbird G5 25 plus rear luggage. For a quote on this vehicle, our 28 passengers, our 8 and 4s, or our 16 and 2s, give me a call at the number below and ask for Cole. Thanks and have a great day. Method! Hardcore parkour!